everyone, Amber here from Majestic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a different type of video. I think it'll be kind of fun. I know that many of us as crafters might have a Cricut at home. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cricut Design Space to create your own zipper overlays. So a zipper overlay, this is my Addy shoulder bag as a crossbody. A zipper overlay is this inside, where it's usually created out of vinyl or cork, and you can put it around your zipper box. So that way the box, sometimes the corners aren't as nice. So this is another unique way that you can make your zipper look nice. So in my pattern, I do include the SVGs, but maybe you're sewing a pattern that doesn't have SVGs or doesn't normally have a zipper overlay and you would like to make one. So I'm going to show you today how you can do that in Cricut Design Space. And just to be mindful, this is only for Cricut Design Space. I do not have a Silhouette or Brothers Scan and Cut, so this obviously would not apply to them. But feel free to leave a comment or if you have any questions that are Cricut related. And I hope you enjoy the video. If you do make some zipper overlays, please consider joining my Facebook group or tagging me on social media. I would absolutely love to see them. Enjoy! Okay, here I have a blank canvas in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own zipper overlays. And you could do that with the free shapes here. So you do not need the subscription to Design Space. And so I like to start with a rectangle with the rounded corners. You can obviously choose anything that works best for you. If you want to start with a regular square or the corners that are pointy instead of the rounded. This is just like a personal preference thing. And I like my zippers, or most of my bags, I'd say I'd put about a 7-inch zipper inside. So up here where it is currently locked, I'm going to unlock the shape so I can, it's not moving proportionally. And if I want my zipper to be 7 inches long, I'm going to make my overlay 8.5 inches long. Oh, sorry, I put it in the height, not width. And for the height, the opening, I use size 5 zippers. So I like to leave a 1/2 inch opening. That's a little bit wider than if you're using a size 3 zipper. So I'm going to make my zipper overlay 2 inches tall. This is going to give me plenty of room around the edges to be able to top stitch around. Now on the inside, we need to create a cutout. So this doesn't have the rounded edge going all the way around. As you get better, you can learn how to maybe weld like a circle to it and make it more rounded. But for this tutorial, it works perfect. But we need to have a cutout here for our zipper. So I'm going to use the regular square and I'm going to unlock it again. And I want the width 7 inches because that's how long my zipper is going to be. And I'm using a size 5, so I'm making it a 1/2 inch opening. And I'm just going to change the color of it so you can see it. I mean, gray works too, but I like this. So right now I did this second, so it's layered over. If you were to put this over the shape and you don't see it, you can click on arrange and it's grayed out because it's already top, but you could bring forward or bring to front. So I am going to highlight both of these and click align and center. So that just centered the shape for me, both horizontally and vertically. And now you can either click this, select all, or you can drag over both of them and select them. And there's 3 different ways we can make our overlay. We can slice it, which takes out that chunk in the center, and we could just delete these 2 pieces and we have our zipper overlay. if you don't want to do it that way, I'm just going back so that way. All right, let me start again. I'm just going to arrange it or align it so that way it's centered. The other two options are, if they're all selected, where it says combine, you can do subtract, which takes that piece out, or you can do exclude, which takes that piece out. So all three of those options will work to create your zipper overlay. And once you're happy with the shape and the size, you can click make. And I'm not going to save it right now, but it will bring you to your screen here. So if you have a cut of vinyl already and you want to rotate this so it fits on, feel free to rotate or flip it around. I also lay my vinyl face down, and right now this is symmetrical. So if it's not symmetrical, you might want to mirror it here on the left-hand side. And then when you're ready to actually cut it, you can click continue. I have an Explore Air 2, so I have to put it on a custom setting. If you have a maker, you could probably just put it on fabric already. What I do recommend is testing this with maybe cardstock or scrap pieces of vinyl first, because sometimes it does take a little bit to find the correct settings of what works best. So I'm going to hit cancel to bring us back to our canvas. But this is how you can create the zipper overlays in Design Space without an SVG. If you have SVGs that you want to use, then of course you can come over here to upload and upload those files into the program. So I do hope that you have found this helpful. Hi everyone, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely feel free to let me know in the comments, or like I said, join me on social media. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow and I appreciate it so much. See you next time. Bye.